Hey, David Wayne here, coming to you from South Attleboro, Massachusetts. Found this interesting building and made my way down back of it. And it's pretty interesting stuff down here, so I thought I'd break out the old trusty cell phone and check it out for you. What that is, I don't know, but it's huge. As you can see there, train going over an old archway and canal system here. Don't know what it is. It's got fast moving water flowing northward. Let's check out this archway here. It says 1880 on it. And look at all the bricks. Try to get up close here, guys. The entire archway, bricks, demied out bricks, right? Lichtenberg lines everywhere. The tunnel itself is about 80 feet long. That 1880 block looks different from the rest of the blocks in that. So let's keep going this way. Some interesting gears and stuff here. Pulleys, wheels. I mean, we're talking like massive, guys. This is like how is something like this cast, right? And we're talking 8 feet round. And there's a whole bunch of them here. Look at this one. You're talking, that one's 7 feet. Oh, 6 feet. 6 feet high. This one's a little bigger. I mean, what are these? And then over here, there's like a separate archway. The water is still in there, and you got the same kind of archway. 1880 again. See how that block looks different from the rest? Was that added? Of course it was, right? Or maybe not. The machinery here is just off the hook. Huge. This is some kind of hydro machinery. We've seen this in Fitchburg, right? Let's see what we can do here. I'm gonna take pictures of that. It's not letting it focus, so I'll get pictures of it. Just massive. Again, it's right outside Red Brick Mill Factory. And the front, I'll try to get out front and get it for you though. It's like a dome tower, and it's all stone, and everything else is covered in wood. So I'll get that for sure. Anyway, I thought this was interesting. Let's just take a look at these wheels over here again. I mean, Massive, massive. It's like 7 feet. What were these for? Especially this one right here. This one's like 8 foot. I mean, there's my car, and look at look at the wheel. I mean, that's how big it is. Looks like a small chain spun. I mean, they had everything figured out. Anyway, I'm gonna go get pictures of that machinery. One more observation here, guys, is that the trains that come through here are electric. You see the wires. So electric trains.